I will try to make you introduce with some of the apparatus that is very important for your experiment, class 10, 11 physics. So here are some of the equipment, apparatus, material, learning aids you can see around. So here first, do you know what is G? This G retail. You know the meaning of this G? Yeah, it is a device. And name of the device called galvanometer. याद रखना. क्या? Galvanometer. What is the purpose of this? It helps to detect the presence of current. Current है कि नहीं, थोड़ा current भी होगा तो it can easily detect it. So it is done. What is galvanometer? It's a device that helps us to detect or indicate or determine the presence of current in the circuit. Finish. In doubt? Here we have got another device. A. Amit sir का term है. A ammeter. We know the unit of current is ammeter. Ammeter is a device that has to measure the current. Current. The unit of current is ampere, right? Clear na? It has to measure the current, and it also has the presence of current only, but presence of current. Presence है कि नहीं current? It is called ammeter. Fine. There's one more device called V. V माने? Voltmeter. What is voltmeter? It helps us to measure the voltage, how much voltage is flowing through the circuit. Clear na? Fantastic. And here and here is one more device, and it is called what you know? Rheostat. Rheostat. Yeah, it also helps us to change the resistance. Okay, I can increase the length of the wire through this rheostat. Okay, fine. There is a very important device, main hero of everything, every component here. Because earlier we used to use battery for the experiment, battery, right? So battery has a limited power. If you use over and over, the power gets reduced, and the experiment cannot be complete, right? So replacing this battery, we have another battery eliminator. Name is itself saying battery eliminator, which can eliminate battery. What does it do? It can behave like a battery. I will put in the in a plug, and it will convert the AC current to DC current. How much voltage you need? 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt, 8 volt, 12 volt. According to your requirement, you can change the voltage. It has got only 1.5 volt. If I connect to battery like that, then I will get 3 volt. Very, very difficult to carry out the experiment. And if you overuse, क्या होगा कि the power get dissipated and you cannot carry out the experiment further. So this is the advantage. It has got advantage. If I ask you in a question in CBC board, what is the advantage of using a manual battery instead of a advantage of using a battery eliminator instead of a manual battery? Advantage is what? It has a variable voltage. You can change the voltage according to your needs, right? So the voltage never reduces, and here with the regular use or continuous use, the voltage can get reduced. Clear na? Very fine, fantastic. हो गया इतना काम. And here what I was saying about compass. It is called magnetic compass. What it is called? Magnetic compass. So wherever you keep it, always point. I have another compass in my pocket. Here I have a compass in my hand. It will always direct it towards south and north. You see this white needle shows north direction. So wherever you roam like that, wherever you keep, it will always direct toward north. You just point down north. It is north, it is south, it is east, it is west. It is always keep it in the same position. Okay, wherever you जब भी घुमाओ, अब देखो इसको ये north यहाँ पे ही रहेगा, हमेशा बोल के यहाँ पे आएगा. इधर घुमाओ, north आपको इधर ही रहेगा. So it is a very important device for the explorer or those who are traveling through sheep. Earlier there was no Google Map like today, right? How they used to go Argentina, Antarctica, wherever, Sri Lanka, wherever they want to go, they used to carry this magnetic compass with them. And it will always point toward south and north. It helps us to know the direction. Understood or not? Okay. So why it is always pointing toward north and south? This is a very question. Because it always aligns itself with the magnetic field of Earth. Because Earth is the biggest magnet. तो अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और उसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होता है? इंटरेक्शन होता है. तो हमेशा क्या करता है, उसको नॉर्थ और साउथ में अलाइन करता है. समझ में नहीं आया ना? इतना क्लियर हो गया ना? वेरी गुड. नाउ as that I told you that a magnet has got क्या उसका magnet has what? 2 pole. Magnet has two pole. Very good. Magnet has two pole, north and south. है कि नहीं? अब क्या होगा? When you were small, you might have played so many times with magnet. है कि नहीं? तो क्या होगा? Look, they can attract each other. That means what? That means what? ये unlike pole है. Like unlike pole, north और south होगा. But when I take this side, ये देखो दूर भाग रहा है. Join नहीं हो रहा है. Join हो रहा है क्या? दूर भाग रहा है. Power is very less here. Now I'm going to show you the magnetic field lines. Like magnetic field line. You want to see? Yes. So what I am doing is that actually I need a stronger magnet to show you properly. So shall I keep it here? So here's the magnet. Has a paper I kept, and there is some iron-like particle, loha gudi. Loha gudi. Loha ka gudi. Look, huh? Nicely you see.
Wow.
Give me one more page.
One more page.
One more page. One more page. Maybe.
Can you see? Magnetic line. So this is which is invisible, which we cannot see through our naked eyes. This thing cannot be seen through our naked eyes. You can see it is making a loop, closed loop, isn't it? Closed loop बना रहा है कि नहीं? It is been shown in your copy also. So let me. Okay. And it is called U-shaped magnet. One U-shaped magnet I have. Take an extra pages. Okay, no problem. It will make it much more stronger than that, and we can see more better. लेकिन ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. Give one more magnet. Oh, one more. Sorry, one more paper. Now I will be showing you a horse magnet. It is called horse magnet. Again, because it is looking like a shoe, or you can say the toe of a horse, looking like that. So it has got north pole and south pole, right? So come on first. Fine. देखोगे? नॉर्थ से निकल रहा है, साथ में घुस रहे हैं. Can you see? नॉर्थ से समझ में आ रही कि नहीं? It is making a closed loop always. Huh. So here we can, by practical way, we can show you clearly the magnetic field. नहीं कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? नहीं? North to south is going. Same thing here also. Same thing here also. Here is a bar magnet, so which you can see is very clearly here, north and south pole. Clear? Now, this much clear? First topic is clear. Yeah, we can see the magnetic field line, which we cannot see through our naked eyes. It is already there. It is already present, but we cannot see through our naked eyes. Clear na? Now next topic. That day I told you that when a current passes through a wire, there is a magnetic field around it. बोला था? Let me show you with the experiment here. Nicely, huh? Okay, इसको हम side में रखते हैं. नहीं, चोरी मत करो ना कोई भी. ये सब क्या लोहा गुड़ी है? गौरव को याद ही नहीं है, वो क्या लाएगा? What are these? These are not magnet, okay? What is this? Iron particles. आएगा कोई? Okay. Now gradually one more experiment. Now. Okay, so come. Now, what is this? Compass. Okay. What is the another compass?
Compass.
See, a nice experiment. Okay, it will always point it toward north and south. Okay, because it is interacting with the magnetic field of the earth. Now there is one more magnet in my hand. Now see what will happen. And you try to give the answer. I will be taking near to it. यही है चीज में. When I take this compass or when I take this magnet near to this compass, it is showing a deflection. Why? Q. Your answer? The entire physics here only. Because magnet has got it on magnetic field. Because this magnet has it on magnetic field, and compass also has a small magnet inside it, right? And there is an interaction between the magnetic field of the compass and the magnet. तो क्या होता है इसमें डिफ्लेक्शन होता है इसमें. इसके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से उसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में असर पहुंचता है. अगर ऐसा करेगा तो इधर आएगा, सामने आएगा. क्योंकि ये नॉर्थ है तो ये साउथ होगा, तो सामने आ रहा है. देखो, अरे बाबा आई जाओ शनि मुनि आई जाओ. बट नाउ आई विल रिवर्स द पोल. ओके, ये क्या था नॉर्थ, ये क्या था साउथ. ओके, नॉर्थ, ये देखो इसको नॉर्थ से. ओके ना, ये नॉर्थ ये साउथ, इट विल कम टुवर्ड अट्रैक्शन. नाउ अभी क्या करेंगे इसमें, ये अभी नॉर्थ तो अभी नॉर्थ, अभी देखो दूर जाएगा. यही कहानी सच में अट्रैक्शन. क्लियर ना? नाउ वेरी नाइस. इससे खत्म, ये भी खत्म हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, सॉरी करंट अभी आपको दिखाएगा कि करंट से मैग्नेट बनता है. क्या बनता है? करंट से मैग्नेट जो बनता है. आई विल शोइंग इट नाइसली. देखिएगा. ओके ओके, बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया. देखो दोस्त, मेरे पास एक सिंपल सामान है. चलो ये आपको समय बना दो इसको. बाबू सो फॉलो दो. यार सी, करंट से मैग्नेट बनने वाला. करंट से मैग्नेट बनेगा, इट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. There is two type of magnet. One is called temporary magnet. One is called permanent magnet. What is permanent magnet? These are the permanent magnets. Okay, they are permanent magnets because it has fixed strength. It has fixed strength. So I will be making a permanent temporary magnet. कि मेरा नाच में नाचेगा ये. देखो ना. ये वायर क्या चीज है दोस्त? What is this wire? Copper wire ही है. It has got another name. It is called insulated copper. क्या बोल?
Insulated copper wire.
You want to know why it is called insulated copper wire?
ये इंसुलेटर का काम करता है.
So what wire we have in what type of metal we have in the wire? Huh? Copper wire. Basically in our home domestic circuit वो जब में लगा हुआ है ना वायर लो, तो सिलो तो क्या मिलेगा?
Copper.
Copper wire मिलेगा. क्या मिलेगा? Copper wire. ये कैसे बनता है? खुद समझ में? It is called insulated copper wire, and this insulated copper wire, it is used in making coil. The coil you can see in the fan, motor, ना घर का पानी का motor, TV transformer. This is the wire that I am using with thin thickness. Why it is called insulated copper wire? Let me show it. मैं पकड़ में इसको तो हाथ उसको तो ये मिलेगा, रखो मिलेगा. पकड़ में नहीं. Now look here. Look here. Why it is called insulated copper wire? So let's allow you can see nicely. Look here. So when I will scratch this wire, when I remove the copper, you can see the pure copper. Aram se. You can see? There is a layer. There is a wax layer. There is a wax layer upon this. क्या सामान तोड़ देगा?
क्या गिरा है? कंपास।
So yeah, don't break the excitement, man. ठीक है हुआ था. So what? So when you peel it, you can see the real copper wire comes out, right? It's a main copper wire. Okay. When you pass the current through it, it will not pass because there is an insulation. There is an insulation above it. There is a wax layer upon it. समझ में आ रहा दोस्त? है कि नहीं? समझ नहीं आ रहा? क्या नहीं आया? हाँ? अभी यहाँ से मूव होगा. Current will pass through this because क्योंकि इसके ऊपर इंसुलेशन है ना दोस्त. इंसुलेशन में करंट पास नहीं होगा ना. इसको छीलने के बाद ही पास होगा. अभी आप ऐसे लगा देगा तो पास नहीं होगा. अभी करंट लगाएगा ना इसमें. Now it will pass. Okay. Now it will pass very nicely. Okay. Now I will make a magnet with the help of this wire. You wanna see? Yes. Chalo, give that nail. Yeah. Now simply what I will do, I will making a loop. Look here. I will define everything with the help of this. What I have in my hand? Insulated copper wire. Okay. Now see. What is this? Pin. Na? Okay. देखो क्या कर रहा है. Okay. Can you track it? Yes, because it has magnetic property, so it can attract the iron-like particle. Okay. Now I have a nail. Can I attract? No. It is not a magnet. It is a simple iron piece. So now what I am going to do is that I am going to make multiple loop. Okay. Now we देखो अच्छा क्या करना वाला. ये क्या है? It is called what is this called? It is called what? Single loop. Yes. Okay. So okay, it is called a loop. What loop? Single loop. Now double. When I give multiple loop, it is called what? Do you know? Solenoid. Yes, solenoid. It is called solenoid. What is solenoid? Solenoid is a combination of multiple loop. Okay, or a turn of multiple turn. Multiple circular turn is called solenoid. Clear? Okay. Now what? I will give multiple turn. अभी देखो क्या होता है. Can you see? देखो हम multiple turn ले रहे हैं. So I am going to make this is called a solenoid. What is solenoid? हाँ. देखो अच्छे से. अब देखो क्या होने वाला है. जादू. So what I am doing, I am making it multiple turn. Okay, and let us see what will happen. If you want to make a stronger magnet, you have to make it more. You have to thicker, or you have to make more multiple turn here. Okay, it's okay now. Okay, fine now. Yes. I'll cut it here. Okay. I'll cut it here, and I will. Okay, now current will not flow through this. I have to remove the insulation. I have to remove the upper covering. Okay. So how to remove it? Done? Done, na? Clear? Okay. Now can it? Will it attract now? No, na? Now what I will do? I will be passing current through this. So let us take a battery. Let's take it. Now I will take both terminal here. Okay? Negative, positive terminal. And I can make a magnet. And the magnet that will form through this, it is called electromagnet or temporary magnet. because it has, देखो ये नेगेटिव लगा दिया ये नहीं now it can attract. Now it has the same property like a magnet. It has become a magnet now when I pass current through this circuit. समझ में आई? So छोड़ देगा ना करंट, इसका मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी चल देगा, इसका मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी खत्म हो गया. So I hope it is clear. इसका अंदर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी घुस गया, अपना घुस गया. समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं बात? Okay. So like what you have understood through this, like so what we have understood that when a current passes through a through a circuit or through a loop, it is behaving like a magnet. That is why you can see in a fan, they are giving multiple loop, so they can produce a magnetic field. Okay, so there can be a magnetic field inside है. समझ में आ रहा ना आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? समझ में आ रही है? अभी देखो ये मैग्नेट बन गया ना, तो ये क्या मैग्नेट है? ये टेम्पोररी मैग्नेट है और इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट, बिकॉज करंट्स का हेल्प से मैग्नेट बना है यहाँ पे. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. समझ में आप लोगों को? तो बढ़िया. अभी देखो
सर
बोल दो.
वो नीचे में वो अगर लूप दे घुमा के अलग कुछ भी घुमाएगा.
सिंगल करने से भी होगा, सिंगल से भी वो भी दिखाएगा आपको.
नहीं सर वो
लोहा को नहीं लगे. हाँ तभी होगा, लेकिन तो पावरफुल नहीं होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं ना. ओके नाउ लुक हियर नाउ. ओके फाइन. अब वो बोला उसको भी क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम. सो या जैसे कि क्या लेगा? पेन या पेन. लेट्स डू दिस विद पेन. ओके सो लुक हियर माय डियर. इसका मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी घुस गया थोड़ा सा. देखो. ओके नाउ पेन. ओके नाउ इट इज इंसुलेटेड टोटली. पता है हो रहा है? थोड़ा मोटा कुछ है क्या सामान? वेट देयर इज वन मोर डिवाइस. या सर प्रॉपर सोलोनॉइड. ये कैसे बना है? इसी से बना है. इट इज नॉट ए नॉर्मल कॉपर वायर, इट इज इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर. इस कॉपर में वैक्सी लेयर है. क्लियर है ना? समझ में आता है? सो नाउ या आई मेड हैंडमेड. दिस हैंडमेड, इट इज कंपनी मेड. सिंपल थिंग होगी. इसमें लोहा नहीं है, इसमें क्या है? प्लास्टिक है. नाउ क्लियर. चलो करंट पास करते हैं इससे. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बनाने आते हैं. देखो नाउ सी, इज देयर एनी डिफ्लेक्शन? नहीं ना. तो नाउ इफ आई टेक दिस वन, अभी डिफ्लेक्शन होता है? क्यों हो रहा है डिफ्लेक्शन? तुम लोग गिरा दिए, देखो मर गया ये.
अरे
ओके ना? ठीक है ना? नाउ सी व्हाट वी कैन डू इज So now I'm not taking battery. Instead of battery, I'm taking a.
what is this?
ये बैटरी
Boss, mana dia? Why? नहीं मेरा क्या करना?
चल जिंदा हो गया
Fine, look here. Yeah. So how much current is flowing? What is the voltage in the output of this? Let us connect it and see. Don't make noise. देखो दोस्त कितना है 2.2 समथिंग हाँ देखा कि नहीं 2.1 समथिंग ठीक है ना now look here देखो very interesting thing huh see what will happen now so I will be passing current through this loop and this loop will be behaving like a magnet and it is called solenoid. What is solenoid? What is solenoid? Yeah, very good. Multiple metaphor. A solenoid is metaphor. Multiple circular turn of by a insulated copper wire. अभी देखो हाँ. ये देखो डिफ्लेक्शन देखा कि नहीं और थोड़ा पावर बढ़ाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे ये है इट इज द बिगेस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट बाय द साइंटिस्ट कॉल क्या नाम किया हैंस क्रिस्टन एंड ऑल वो साइंटिस्ट ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था देखो व्हेन ही मेड करंट पास थ्रू ए सर्किट ये देखो ये हिलेगा देखना दोस्त ये हिलना शुरू होगा ये मूव होना शुरू होगा देखिए देखो ये क्यों मूव हो रहा है इट्स अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन ये क्यों मूव हो रहा है ये दो कंडीशन में मूव होता था राइट व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टेक ए मैग्नेट नियर टू दिस ए कॉम्पास नियर टू दिस ये तब मूव होता था ना क्योंकि इसका एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड था इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वजह से यहाँ पे मूवमेंट शो करते हैं राइट सेम थिंग यू कैन सी when I pass current through this circuit there's a movement or not
Yes, sir.
you see that means it is confirmed from the experiment that when a current passes through a circuit इसका चारों ओर क्या बनता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनता है सेम लाइक ए मैग्नेट जैसे मैग्नेट के चारों ओर क्या बनता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनता है एक्जैक्टली सेम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज फॉर्म व्हेन ए करंट पासेस थ्रू इट चुप रहो क्या हाँ बोले मतलब मैग्नेट हो जाएगा बहुत बढ़िया से এটা কথা শোনা এটা পাওয়ারফুল অত পাওয়ারফুল না
এটা সামনে নেওয়া যায় নাকি
अच्छा अच्छा
इससे होता था इसमें वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हो गया ना when you can see that
थोड़ा बढ़ा दो
इसमें भी पावर दीजिए इसमें भी पावर दीजिए तब क्या
बोले if you pass more current more powerful magnet ना कहाँ करंट ओह
कनेक्ट
इतना भी देखो इतना सा
ना Naomi
ये गला
इसमें पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव का खेल है क्या?
नहीं नहीं इसमें कोई पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव तूने कुछ तो नहीं किया ना दोस्त
ऐसे मार दिया
तो इजीली हो जाता है
उसका भेजा
ये समझ में आया आप लोगों को लास्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ है वो दिखाया तो सोलोनॉइड क्लियर हो गया समझ में आया मनोज
इसमें तो 2 पोल है ना,
सब में दो पहले सब में दो
नहीं इसमें इसको पास लाने से क्या होगा रहेगी, तो इसमें ज़्यादा क्यों हो रहा है?
क्योंकि एक ही साथ है नॉर्थ पोल
दो बॉल है साथ है
इसमें तो दो अलग अलग साइड में दोस्त कुछ क्वेश्चन है एनी मोर क्वेश्चन
दो मैग्नेट एक साथ क्यों नहीं चिपक सकते चिपके से ना चिपका ना चिपका ना दूधा
एनीथिंग एल्स
बेसिक बाबू
नेक्स्ट वन where the stand Manoj stand I need one more thing here the experiment next class I will show you okay I need some wires and aluminum wires please discussion समझ में आया देखा कि फायदा हुआ है कुछ क्या फायदा